Hello and welcome back to Hard Reset Info. In this video I will show you how to fix your fast charging not working on Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. Let's begin! Okay, so by default the fast charging is actually enabled, and what's really interesting is that you cannot really disable this. Here's what I mean. If we go to the settings and then scroll down and head into battery, you cannot really see the ability to disable fast charging anywhere. Like, seriously, we can go into, for example, the battery saver and we have nothing. We only have some adaptive battery which saves battery life, but there is nothing really related to the charging. Like, seriously, if we go to battery usage, we also don't have anything. When the only thing that's remotely close is going to battery diagnostics and then getting into issue with charging. And as you can see, at least for me, no issues with charging have been found. So, if you have no issues with charging, you can also just perform this diagnostic test anytime you want. You should have your fast charging working. Seriously, the only reason that it may not be working is because it's not really timed or labeled as fast charging. It's just normal charging rate nowadays. But yeah, however, if you have more information, we can, for example, go into contact support and you can always try to contact your support. Yeah. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.